What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in today's test video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, which is a mid-range smartphone from Samsung. So before starting this video, I will request you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so for future quality tech videos. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. Starting off with the sector of display, Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus is going to come with 6.0 inches of IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display along with 16mm colors, and the resolution for this display is going to be 720 by 1480 along with 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. And if you are wondering about the pixel per inch density, you are going to get 274 ppi, which in my opinion is quite low compared to the 2018 mid-range smartphone standard. Moving on towards the sector of platform and memory, Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and the chipset which is powering this mid-range smartphone is a Snapdragon 825 processor, which is a 28nm based chip, and in my opinion Samsung should be giving at least Snapdragon 660 processor, but what can we do? Samsung is just giving us 425 processor, which in my opinion is going to show its age while using extensively this smartphone. Moving on towards the memory, you will be getting internal storage of 64 gigs along with 4 GB of RAM or 32 GB of internal storage along with 3 gigs of RAM, depends on which model you decide to pick up. Furthermore, now let's talk about the camera system for the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, which is its main highlight feature. So Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus packs dual lens camera system on the rear, consisting of a 13 megapixel sensor at f1.9 aperture and a 5 megapixel sensor at f2.2 aperture. For the selfie camera, we are going to get only a single lens camera system on the front, consisting of a 8 megapixel sensor at f1.9 aperture alongside an LED flash. At last, now let's talk about the battery capacity for the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. So it comes with 3300 mAh of non-removable lithium-ion battery, which in my opinion is going to be just good enough. So this was it from today's video guys. I hope that you people enjoyed this video and found it out helpful, and if you really did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.